Adjective, also known as describing words. An adjective is a describing word. It tells us more about a person, animal, place, or a thing. Words for numbers, colors, size, shape, feelings are also adjective. Some of the examples of adjective or describing words are tall tree, old man, grey elephant, small mouse, short pencil, happy face, soft pillow, cold ice cream, hot tea, sweet mango, soft teddy bear, cute baby, yellow sun, five fingers, brave lion. All these words are adjectives. Words used to describe quality, color, size, shape are also adjectives. Adjective also describe how someone or something looks, like beautiful girl, taste like spicy chili, feel as hard rock, smell as floral perfume, or sounds as calming music. Fill in the correct adjectives in the given sentence. The sun is very bright or cold. Yes, the sun is very bright. My pillow is blank and comfy. Hard or soft? My pillow is soft and comfy. Ice cream is very blank. Hot or cold? Yes, ice cream is very cold. An elephant is blank. Big or small? An elephant is big. The tall giraffe has a blank neck. Long, short. The tall giraffe has a long neck. Thank you, my little learners. Please like, share, and subscribe Tutorpedia.72. Bye bye.